What is React.js? React.js is an open-source JavaScript library crafted with precision by Facebook that aims to simplify the intricate process of building interactive user interfaces. Imagine a user interface built with React as a collection of components, each responsible for outputting a small, reusable piece of HTML code. In React, you develop your application by creating reusable components that you can think of as independent Lego blocks. These components are individual pieces of a final interface, which when assembled form the application's entire user interfaces. React's primary role in an application is to handle the view layer of that application, just like the V in a model view controller pattern by providing the best and most efficient rendering execution rather than dealing with the whole user interface as a single unit. React.js encourages developers to separate these complex UIs into individual reusable components that form the building blocks of the whole UI. In doing so, the React.js framework combines the speed and efficiency of JavaScript with a more efficient method of manipulating the DOM to render web pages faster and create highly dynamic and responsive web application. How does React work? The upside of using React.js is that you can infuse HTML code with JavaScript. But what are the benefits of JSX, JavaScript, XML? When building client-side apps, a team of Facebook developers came to the understanding that the DOM document object model is slow. DOM is an application programming interface API for HTML and XML document which shows the logical structure of documents and how a document is manipulated and accessed. To make it faster, React implements a virtual DOM which is a DOM tree representation in JavaScript. When there is a need to read and write to the DOM, it uses its virtual representations of it. Following this, the virtual DOM will attempt to locate the most effective manners to update the DOM of the browser. React DOM looks after updating the DOM to blend with the React elements. This is because JavaScript is super prompt and keeping a DOM tree in it to speed up its manipulation to is rewarding. While React was created to be used in the browser, its design makes it advantageous to use in the server with Node.js. But how does Node.js work with React? The best platform for hosting and operating web server for React-based apps is known to be Node.js. The main explanation for this is that Node uses an npm to install all new updates and packages. History of React.js. Back in 2011, Facebook had a massive user base and faced a challenging task. It wanted to offer users a richer user experience by building a more dynamic and more responsive user interface that was fast and highly performant. Jordan Walk, one of Facebook's software engineers, created React to do just that. React simplified the development process by providing a more organized and structured way of building dynamic and interactive user interfaces with reusable components. Facebook Newsfeed news it first due to its revolutionary approach to DOM manipulation and user interfaces React dramatically changed Facebook's approach to web development and quickly became popular in JavaScript ecosystem after its after its release to the open source community.